Hi everyone! Today I will cook bulgogi. Bulgogi is the most famous food in Korea. Not only in Korea. I think this time it's really famous in the world. 오늘은 제가 불고기를 만들어 보려고 합니다. 사람들의 입맛이 각기 다 틀리기 때문에 제가 말씀드리고 싶은 것은 혹시 이게 더 짜거나 달거나 이렇게 느껴지시거나 그러면 여러분들 입맛에 맞게 조절을 해서 양을 쓰시라는 거를, 양념을 쓰시라는 거를 말씀드리고 싶어요. I know that my Taekwondo family, they have been waiting for my bulgogi recipe for over last 20 years. Thank you for waiting, and today is the day. I'll give you all my recipe, okay? You can use any part of a beef, but today I bought it like a tenderloin. Dry out this meat. Take this, cut this out, the fat. Cut thin slices. If you go to Korean market, they do have a sliced beef already for make a bulgogi, like a ribeye and sirloin and different part of beef. They do have already. I couldn't go to Korean market this time, so I bought it in a tenderloin from the local grocery store. I'll blend all the ingredients for the marinade. This is Korean pear. Korean pears are juicier than any other pears. But if you cannot find near you, then don't worry. You just buy Asian pears. Take this part away. Garlic and little bit of ginger. Okay. 2 tablespoons of wine. Oh my god. The wine, any kind of red or white wine will be okay. So 2 tablespoons. Four tablespoons. This is yoridang, but you can use any syrup, cooking syrup. 1 tablespoon of sugar. Grind the peppers, black pepper. Put it right here. I will try the marinade sauce. It is good. Are you gonna try? Marinade now. Cover the bulgogi and then put this bulgogi in the refrigerator like an hour, because the meat absorbs all the flavor and also tenderizes it. It passed 1 hour already. I will slice the vegetables for mixing with the bulgogi. I'm so hungry, I cannot wait for bulgogi. Ready. Now vegetables are ready to cook. Let's fry the bulgogi now. Are you ready for eat bulgogi? 여러분들도 많은 분들이 알고 계시겠지만 참기름을 처음부터 넣어서 양념 만들었을 때 다 같이 참기름을 넣어서 하면 양념이 고루 배이는데 방해를 받잖아요. 그러니까 참기름을 나중에 넣고 또 고기 요리를 할 때 고기 효소가 작용을 해줘야 되는데 그래서 부드럽게 만들어주고 해야 되는데 그 참기름이 미리서 들어가서 이제 고기를 재워놓게 되면 이게 질겨지니까 참기름은 나중에 이제 마지막 볶으실 때 넣으시라고 말씀드리겠습니다. If you don't like vegetables, you eat just like this. But I strongly recommend eat with a vegetable will be good for your body health. 이것들은 좀 이따 넣고. It smells so good. Smells good. Can you see the liquids? A lot of liquids over here because I use few different kind of the vegetables in it. That's why liquid. But you don't worry about this liquid. After you eat the bulgogi, the meat and vegetables, after this, I'm gonna show you one really good idea with the cooked rice. Now now I will show you another way to eat the bulgogi. This is the leftover rice. Bring the leftover liquid from the dishes. Put this rice. Add some sesame oil. And then add some of this. This is the Korean, the crushed seaweed. Salted in it and then a little bit of a sesame seed in it. So I'm gonna put it over here. Add as much as you want. Try this time. I like just like this, but if you like to little more flavor or little more salt or soy sauce, you can put it. That's up to you. Looks delicious. It looks so good. Now I will show you the other way to eat the bulgogi. I will show you how to make a ssamjang. Korean soybean paste, and this is Korean red pepper paste. Ssamjang is soybean paste plus red pepper paste together. So I will show you. Smells funky, but taste is good. Yeah, good. Minced garlic, chop the onion, chop the green onion, little bit of sesame oil, honey. If you like to have some more honey, you can put more. Now I'm gonna pick some vegetables from my garden. So stay there, don't go anywhere, okay? Now eating time. Anybody wants to eat with me? Oh, so many people. Oh, raise your hand. Okay, come on. So tender because it's tenderloin. It is so good. This is good. So good. I wanna try the rice. It is good. Next, I'll show you my favorite way to eat the bulgogi. From my garden, 1, 2, 3 leaves of lettuce in my hand. And this is Korean special vegetable from my garden. Minari. We call minari Korean vegetable also. This is chives. Say this. 미나리, 부추, 돌나물, 상추. When I see lettuce, I remember my mom in Korea. We used to compete who get the biggest wrap, some, with this lettuce. I just put the piece of bulgogi and vegetable also. And also, I just want to put this rice, little bit, fried rice. Here's the ssamjang, but don't put too much, just a little bit. Do you see? Wrap this. Make it round. This is not really big. I think this is small size. Oh. How is my food? You like it? Can you make a bulgogi now? 고맙습니다. 오늘도 제 요리를 지켜봐 주셔서. Thank you for watching my bulgogi recipe. I hope you enjoy. Thank you again. Bye bye. Bye bye.